So Realme has recently launched the Realme 5 series in India. So there's the Realme 5 and the Realme 5 Pro. But today we'll be focusing on the more capable variant, which is the Realme 5 Pro. So let's check it out. So this is the Realme 5 Pro's box. And at the back, there's a tons of information about this smartphone. So the one we are getting is called the Sparkling Blue. So I wonder how it looks like. So let's open this up. And as usual, you see there's some manuals and the case, a black jelly case. And here's the Realme 5 Pro, which I'll talk about it later. And as you can see, this is the VOOC 3.0 flash charge, and it supports 20 watt. But don't worry, if you're purchasing in Malaysia, you will get the 3-pin instead of the 2-pin adapter. And you will have a USB-C cable. So they've changed from a micro USB on the Realme 3 Pro to a USB-C cable, which is good news. And there's also a SIM ejector tool. So that's about it. That's what you get inside the box. So as usual, I'll clean this up before I talk about the smartphone. So this is the Realme 5 Pro in sparkling blue. Okay, it really looks very sparkly, I would say. So it has this really holographic and some kind of really geometric pattern across the whole smartphones, and it has this really nice gradient from blue to purple. It also has this matte finish frame, as you can see, a really nice matte finish frame, which I'm a fan of. Overall, the phone looks decent and it looks really good on videos, I would say. At the back, there's also a quad camera setup, which is pretty common in phones these days. And it has this Realme signature yellow ring across this camera. It has 4 cameras, look at this, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And instead of a fancy in-display fingerprint scanner, Realme uses a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner on the Realme 5 Pro. Okay, so since we're in the topic of camera, let's talk about it. So it has a 48 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a 2 megapixel macro camera, as well as a 2 megapixel camera for bokeh effects. So let's test the camera out. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of modes here you can choose. There's video, there's photo, there's portrait, and there's a few different type of mode. There's nightscape, panel, expert. Oh, let's try the ultra macro. Okay, let me grab a subject. Okay, let's take the picture of this lucky cat. Okay, as you can see there's a lot of dust on this cat's head because it really has. And the details are okay, I guess, but the colors are a bit oversaturated for my liking. But let's try the next one. Let's go for the normal mode, okay? 2 times. Okay, looks pretty decent, I guess. I don't know why it keeps saying it's bouquet. Why is it bouquet? It's a cat. Okay, oh, the bokeh is pretty nice. The edge detection is actually pretty good. Like I said just now, it is a little bit oversaturated, so I don't know if that's initial testing or what, but you guys be the judge of this. Moving on to the front, this device features a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display, and it has a 90.6% screen-to-body ratio. There's also this water drop notch that houses the 60 megapixel selfie camera. Powering the Realme 5 Pro is a Snapdragon 712 processor that's mated up to 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. So the question is, can we expand it with a micro SD card? So let me grab a SIM ejector tool and find out. Ooh, it's a dedicated slot for 2 nano SIMs as well as 1 micro SD card. So you can get more storage if you need. This device also has a large 4035 mAh battery that supports 20-watt VOOC flash charge, and this time it uses a USB-C cable. But if you're interested in this device, sadly this device is currently only available in India, but we will keep you updated if it arrives in Malaysia. So that's it for my unboxing of the Realme 5 Pro. If you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comment section below. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that we informed whenever we post a new video. And remember to check out our latest video here, and also another video here. That's it from me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!